Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your resume worded subscription. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to visit on their official website and you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account you need to select dashboard option at very top side. And once you select the dashboard option, now you need to scroll down at very bottom side. There is your option my account settings. Okay, you need to select my account setting option. Now it will pop up this kind of window. You need to choose first one, manage account and subscription. When you select this option, it will pop up this window. In this window, if you have any subscription, then it will ask to downgrade your subscription. In my case, I don't have any subscription, that's why he is asking for upgrading to pro. Okay, so in your case you need to select this option and you can cancel your subscription on this link. Okay, on this page. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your subscription on resume worded. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.